Nature Valley Open in Nottingham, we're finally here and he's here.
Hello.
Him. That really annoying guy that just keeps winning tennis.
I just can't help it, Jonathan, just runs in my blood.
Lucky. So I'm just going to keep saying that. We're here, we've already had a knockabout as if we were playing a match on one of the practice courts.
Professionally?
Professionally, yeah, of course. There are practice courts for anyone attending, and then there's ones solely for the professionals. Like there's a way of telling, and we're gonna see lots of, not as many Brits as I thought there would be. There are none of the women playing, British women playing, but there are men on the Challenger Tour. There's one called Hagen that I've never heard of. One of the few that I've never heard of.
It was like ranked 800 and something.
Probably 1,000 or something. Probably even lower than that.
He was one set up and now he's possibly 1 all, or we don't know.
We don't know yet. We're about to find that out. But anyways, thank you for joining us, and hopefully we'll get some good footage. Not of him. There's never good footage of him.
You got my good side.
Nope.
How's that one?
70.
Not bad, not bad.
Rubbish. Absolutely terrible. Rubbish. just get some negative, positive encouragement in there.
3.
Yeah.
Almost in the hole.
73. It depends on where you hit it as well. I'm not sure what gets you higher.
Oh, you found the hole.
70. Only 70.
73, 70, an average of 74.
Yeah, well, it's not hard to work.
3 tries, John. Alright, let's have a look. 63, that's your wee fit age, John. Go on. Oh, you. Whoa! You beat me.
I don't know how to.
You beat me.
Should I just go again?
Yeah, do it.
The editing. Written the editing.
Oh, do it. That's consistent.
54.
64 says
That's what you got last time. Ooh. 71. Try and beat 74 then.
Yeah, I'll try.
Get towards 80. Oh, nice. Yep. I suppose the more towards the camera you hit it, the more chance of it going in one straight line, faster speed when it registers. So.
And the key is to kind of to hit it down as well, because obviously then gravity can obviously help
at an angle.
You out of it, yeah.
That's good.
Sounded good.
No,
again.
I know.
Can't beat the high score.
He's peaking 75.
There it is.
Well done. Do you want to kick another go or? That was amazing. Finish there. Finish there.
Six all.
Epic tiebreak alert.
8-7. Ward. Game set match, Ward. 2-6-1, 2-6, 6-4, 7-6.
Didn't expect this after 4 long.
Well, did we enjoy that? Top-notch stuff. Can I ask the ball crew to keep 4 of the balls back for us, please? We'll fire them into the crowd in just a second.
The British ladies playing in the singles today, but there are quite a few men. We saw Lofhagen, a name that I'd never heard of, but he ended up losing in the end. Corey lost, not as much of a surprise. But Alex Ward against Brody was a brilliant match to finish on. 7-6 in the decider, as you saw. And then I saw a bit of Boulter and Swan playing doubles, so that was good enough for me today. I'd like to go tomorrow and see them in singles. That's mainly what I wanted to see, but there weren't any scheduled for Monday, which was really annoying. But now I won't be able to document it for the vlog because I can't record it there. After that last clip of that match point, I was told I can't do it, so I'm lucky to have got what I got. So I might only be able to use my phone. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching this one. We'll see you guys on the next one. Maybe I can add pictures from the next 2 days or whatever days I go there. Banter. It's closer to 10 than it is to 9 PM this Tuesday evening. And finally, welcome to these two vlogs have been combined. Still bright out. Lots of tennis today for Brits. 5 women playing, a few men as well. I don't care about those today. 3-1, 2 lost. Heather started with a win over someone much lower ranked, so it was a good confidence booster. Katie Swan just short in 2 sets. Gary Taylor, that was the one I was most interested in. The defending champion wasn't coming in with great form. Just missed out on that final tie break. So many other players like Liam Brody, Laura Robson, Freya Christie the local, Heather Watson was also there at times. Katie Boulter was there until she probably got called up to the other court. There's so much support towards the end of that match. She couldn't quite do it. Great experience. Her first WTA match of any kind, apart from Wimbledon qualifying. So that's brilliant. Brilliant experience. No doubt she would win it, but she will. She will get there. She's the person I'm most excited by because of the start she made to the year and her resilience in there. Also, Katie Boulter did win her first WTA match against Wickemeyer in straight sets, and again I didn't see that because no one told me that it changed courts, so I was really miffed at that. And Jo won easily to set up a meeting with Heather Watson. That's going to be so fun. A story about my day though. I woke up at 9, no joke. Last 2 days I got up at 9. I haven't got up at 9 since probably Cambodia. Like, I'm not joking, I've never got up that early for anything. That's how much I love tennis, because I got up early for it. Because it's worth it in my mind. Got to the bus stop probably 9:30. Got on the bus at about 10, got there at about 10:30ish. Had to walk a bit of the way. And when I left, there were no buses, no 53s on the way back, so I had to get my dad out with 2% battery charge on my phone. Got back at around 8:30. 11 hours out. I've never been at school that long. Never had days quite like that. Hope there will be more of them too. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on future vlogs.